All right, we got old school 1993 original casting of this Silver Series 2. As you can see, the card, maybe you can't see, card's pretty banged up. I got another one of these. This is 1995 on the back, and I do believe I have all 4 of these in package and card still. Let's let it loose. It's been in here a while, 30 years. My wiener has the first name. It's OSCAR. Or no, it's my baloney. My baloney has a second name. It's MEYER. Never seen one of these in the open. It's all plastic. Booyah.